So, okay, that's good. And yeah, this is the very basic, I can say. I mean, at least you can work or you can manage by the Google Sheets. And also they have so many formulas. You can use their formulas. You can also use their mathematical things. A lot of things you can do, as I said. But this is actually minimum things you can actually, at least you can start your works into the Google Sheets. Okay. Okay. Then the next one is what? The next one is the Google Slides. Okay, so Google Slides is, if you go to the Google Slides, and here also you have the template, and if you go to the template, you have so many templates. Okay, so before I go to this template and all these things, okay, let's take a break. After the break, then I'm going to go over the Google Slides and the Google Forms also. Okay.
Okay.
Then we will also go over the OneDrive. But if you know at least this one, then the OneDrive will be easier for you. There is nothing um like so many things there. But um like did you know before like these things?
I knew a little bit about Google Drive actually, yeah. Not too much, like how you explained so much I didn't know, but yeah, because in my workplace like they use Google Drive. So I know how to access those things, how we can save. It means not much information, but yeah, today we got to know a lot.
Yep. Yeah, it's very important to know about the
True.
these Google tools because as I said, so many companies, they actually, most of the companies, they are using the Google Drive and all these application. And you saw that like we can use a lot of add-ons. We can easily handle our works. We can also use
Best
their
part, it
templates.
means it can
Yeah.
be shareable, anyone can access all the things together. So that is the
Yep.
best thing.
Yep. Okay, so let's take a break. Then after the break, then we are going to continue. Okay. Recording. Okay, so we were like to work with the Google Slides. In the Google Slide here, you can see. So these are the actually templates. So they have so many templates also. Like you can like the education purpose, you can create. This is the education purpose template. This is the science project. This is the science fair. So like based on your presentation, you can use that template, or you can create from the scratch also. So for that, just go to the Google Slides, and this is the blank one. Okay. And also they have some themes here. You can see these are all the themes. So you can select their own themes or all, but if your company, like we always recommend that you guys, yeah, like our member should use our own template. So if your like company, they prefer or they recommend to you to use their own template, so you'll work on their template. Otherwise, if you have like the opportunity to use other templates or other themes, you can use the themes from here. Okay, so let's say you can just select this. So this is the one theme, and then you can change the update the information here. So let's say presentation on TS for you, finance management. Okay, so like, okay, so present by something like this also. Okay, then what you can do, you can just simply add a new slide, and here you can actually bring the, so like say features. So how many features we have? Like you can put the bullet points, authentication, and authorization. Then the finance manage. It was like user management, right? User management, account management, settings, then the voucher, laser, right? So these are all of the features we had. So we can actually add these also, and also we can create another slide, and then we can actually talk with the specific features like say authentication and authorization. Okay, then you can actually add some information like what is this purpose, or how, what is actually doing this feature, and how many user stories under this feature. Then you can also break down the user stories, some of the user stories. You can bring the technical things also if you know. So you can like create a presentation on here. And also you can insert, I mean, you can also like insert the image. So let's say create another slide. So like here we can remove this, remove here. We can insert a image. So for that, what you can do. So let's say this is our test for finance, right? So we can take any screenshot and capture, then copy this and then bring it here. Okay, then just simply you can delete this also. So just select and delete, and this is the image. Okay, so we can also put here. Okay, let me get this one. So just copy this and paste it here and change it like overview or image of the PS for you management. Okay. Okay, so that means this is how you can also bring some image, and also you, if you want to like add some, like you can change the theme here. You can also change the theme also if you want, like this. And if you just select this theme, then it will change the theme also, right? But I think that one is good, looking good. Anyway, so here, and if you want to present, this slide, how you can do this? You can just select the slideshow, and then it will see, it will the full screen, and it's look like this. And you can just click on this, or just use your keyboard, left side, left arrow, right arrow. So just go to the next slide also. And also you can just hover here and then click on the three dots, and also you can turn on the laser pointer. So then you can actually also go with the laser, and this is the features, and this is the authentication, authorization. So you can actually get the attention of the your attendees. Okay, then also
Okay.
if you want to do some like animations of your presenting, you can do this also. So let's say here transition, wait, where it is, slide, not slide, change background. Where is the animations? Okay, let's do transition first. So let's say this one is the not apply to all. So if I add slide from the right, 0.5 seconds, apply to all slide. And if I play, so it will open like this. Okay. So let me go to the slideshow, and then see. And also let's say you can add animation of this image. Just select this image and add the animation, then appear, or you can fade out on click, play. So if you click, it will fade out. So we're not going to fade out, we are going to fade in. Okay, so just click here, and it will show like this. Okay, so if I go to the slideshow, then let's go from the first page, then click here, and it is like do this, this, and click again, and it's showing your image. Okay, so this is how you can also add some animations of your specific image, specific I mean the your points or text. you can do these also in your slides. Okay. And also similar way, if you want